In 2026, if you spend way too much time for your business to find new clients, new leads, new contact details, then I'm sorry to tell you on your face, guys, but you are just wasting your time. Watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to provide you full guide to generate unlimited leads for your businesses every single day automatically with the one of the cheapest way possible in 2026 with live demos, and the whole setup takes just only 2 minutes. So let me show you. Now here is the reality. In Germany alone, there are 1 million plus German trade businesses, and out of them, 40% have no website at all. And many of other businesses as well, no website at all, or let's say very poor website. In US, it's the same reality, and maybe in your home country, it's the same reality as well. So now there is a huge opportunity in front of us. So in a normal way, businesses will go to the Google, search for the businesses which have no website, they will contact, it's copy and paste, and it's waste of hours, to be honest. Or some smart people may contact agencies who can find leads for them, but agencies will charge hundreds or thousands of euros based on your businesses. The method which I'm going to show you in this video, it just cost 0.004 euro. It's nothing. It's really free for many businesses. So today you will just write one sentence in Claude and it will connect with the Apify scrapers, and you will have unlimited leads for your businesses. For this setup, we'll be using mainly two AI tools. First one is Claude Cowork. You already know about this Claude Cowork if you watch my previous videos. If you haven't, then visit my YouTube channel and watch videos about Claude Cowork. It's Anthropic's AI desktop agent. Think of it like an super intelligence colleague which can go to internet and actually complete your task. The second secret weapon in this setup is Apify. So what is Apify? So it's world's largest library of web scrapers with 23,000 plus pre-built actors as of April 2026. It's increasing every month. It covers Google Maps, LinkedIn, Instagram, and every major platform. Free plan gives you $5 in credits every month, and that is more than enough to start it today. Claude automatically picks the right scraper and you never have to choose. So you don't need to worry about at all that which scraper is right for you. Claude will do it for you. Let me explain you in a visual way so you will understand it better. Then I will show you directly into Claude. First, we need to open Claude Cowork, then install Apify connectors right inside Claude Cowork. Then we'll paste API token, which will get it from Apify. Then we need to enable it. Then we need to provide prompts in the Claude Cowork based on our requirements, and then we'll get unlimited leads. Let me show you directly into Claude Cowork. Alright, to set this up, Apify, just click on this plus icon, then click on the connectors, add connectors, and then it will open like this. You can then search for Apify. Just click here and then just click on install. While the connector was installing in Claude, I opened Apify to collect API token. So by default, there is a API token which you can copy it from here, or else you can create a new token based on your requirements. I will just copy it here. Okay, it installed and it's asking for our API token, which I'll paste here and then simply save. Perfect. Currently it's disabled, so I will enable it. Perfect. Now it's ready to use. Now if you go to connectors, manage connectors, then as you can see, it's available right inside Claude Cowork desktop. It's enabled. Now we can use it directly. So how it works with Claude Cowork and Apify. So you simply give prompt in plain English in Claude Cowork, then Claude Cowork will pick the AI agent and pick the right scraper automatically. You don't need to anything out of this 23,000 plus actors. Now it will search from the live data, for example, Maps, LinkedIn, or any other sites, and it will generate lead spreadsheet, which costs just 0.004 per lead. After generation of this lead spreadsheet, you can also create personalized cold emails in German or English or whatever the language you want. Yeah? And it will be written by Opus 4.7 or any other model. So it's a complete loop which you can do right inside Claude and Apify. Now it's time for demo. Alright, demo 1. I based in Germany, so I will think like I am freelancer who build websites. So I will paste this prompt, find me 20 real estate agencies in Munich listed on Google Maps but without their own website. Written company name, number, address, Google Maps rating and number of reviews. Export it to spreadsheet. I will select here Sonnet 4.6. You can also select Opus, but it will burn lot of your credits. For now, Sonnet is fine for the demo. Now we don't need to do anything. Just grab a coffee and wait for a few minutes and it will generate leads for us for our businesses. As you can see, it is searching actors for us and now it found the actor called Compass, Crawler, Google Places. So we don't need to do anything. We just need to give command and Apify and Claude will work for us. That's like an AI assistant, isn't it? There you have it. We have now 20 leads like we asked within just 4 minutes. Now we have company name, address, phone, Google ratings, number of reviews, literally what we asked. It cost less than 0.004 euro. It's literally nothing. So now you can change the requirements, you can change the prompt based on your own business, based on your own country, of course, and then you can use this Claude Cowork and Apify simply. Alright, demo 2. This is my personal favorite for freelancers and agencies. Like Germany, in most countries in the world, there are local businesses like electricians, plumbers, roofers, restaurant business. They have almost no digital presence. So you can take them as a client. So I will paste this prompt. For example, find me 15 electricians and plumbers in Hamburg, that is a city of Germany, that are listed on Google Maps but have no website. I need company name, phone number, full address, category and star rating. Export it to Excel spreadsheet, which is kind of similar to the first demo, but now we are searching for the electricians and plumbers. By the way, this is the most practical business. You can start it tomorrow. You can build amazing website with Claude Code and you can sell it to these local businesses for around $1,000 to $10,000, depends on their client. Your margins are extraordinary for this business. There you have it. Now we have 15 leads. There we can reach out via phone, or else there is a second option. You can simply go to this website one by one on one day and you can show some sample websites, because there are higher chances when you show them sample website, they will convert it into your clients. Maybe you can create personalized website as a sample website for this individual business, and then you can show them as a sample website. And if they like, then they can turn it into your client. Then you can simply charge based on your client and based on their business. And if you want recurring revenue, you can charge around 100 euro to 200 euro, depends on their requirements. You can start literally any business in 2026. There is no barrier. Just you need to step out of your comfort zone and start building business. Before I show you demo 3, let me share it with you bonus tip. Hey guys, if you are learning something new today and enjoying my content, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification bell so you will never miss my videos in the future. Let's get back to the video. Now we have this 15 leads. Okay. So what we can do next? One, we can call it them directly. Second, we can walk in. And the third, we can write a personalized cold email as well. So I pasted this prompt from above full list for the first 2 leads. Currently, I'm showing just for the 2 leads, but you can do it for entire list as well. Write a personalized cold email in German. Mention their business name. Note that they don't have appear to have a website. Offer a free 30-minute consultation to discuss one, maximum 100 words. Professional but warm and no templates. And on top of that, you can also tell to Claude, okay, find the weakness based on the reviews they got on the Google and write the personalized cold email as well. So you can tweak and change based on your own requirements. Now we have 2 emails within just few seconds. Now you can just copy it, go to your Gmail or any other email and then send them email and ask for 30-minute consultation. That's all. Now I have another bonus for you. Let's say every week on Monday you want new leads. So what you can do? You can go to Claude Cowork and do this every Monday. Of course not. Let me show you scheduled task. Just go here on the top, then click on the schedule and then you can create new task. You can provide name whatever you want, description and what it needs to done. So every morning or every Monday it will do this task without your assistance and you will get the spreadsheet when you open the laptop. Isn't it amazing? After you will set this up once, you just need to check your spreadsheet and you just need to enhance your business. You will not spend any more time on finding leads manually. Alright, who can use this built-in system? Literally many people. So let me give you some example. Freelancers can sell websites, design or copywriting to small businesses that need you. Agencies can build a consistent pipeline without expensive ads or referral dependencies. Recruiters, they can find hiring managers and decision makers at the target companies at scale. B2B sales teams generate qualified prospect list for any niche, region or company size. Local business owners, this is my personal favorite. They can find potential partners, referral sources and joint venture contacts nearby, and literally anyone who wants to grow. If your goal is more customers, this system is your unfair advantage. So start using this system right from today. That's an entire system. Claude, Apify and one prompt. That's all. If you like my video, if you enjoyed my video, if you learned something today from this video, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification bell so you will never miss my any videos in the future. I will see you in the next one.